Hello there, folks. This video is going to cover a Totalizer application that I got a database from my buddy Norm over at Redline that does a totalizing application. And I've just, before I get into the meat and potatoes of how this works, I just want to let you know that I've had this thing running overnight for 13 hours, 43 minutes, and 41 seconds. I have a 4 to 20 milliamp input going into this. Man, I've got it really low right now, so it's at 4.07 milliamps. I've left it at that setting all night long, and so as you can see here, it's been running this long. It's generating about 0.44 gallons per minute is what the calculations is here. So let's just do some math on this, what it says here. So if we take, let me get my calculator going here. We got 13 hours times 60 minutes. We're at 780 minutes. Move that over here, plus 44 here. So we'll just do plus 44 just for giggles. There you go. So totally, we've been running for 824 minutes. And I said we're running about 0.44 gallons per minute right now. So I suspect, if I move it over here, if I take this number times 0.44, this is what the software is showing. Let's see, click OK. This comes up to 362.56, 363.30, slightly off, but pretty darn good if you ask me for something that's not a true totalizer application. So that's pretty close if you ask me. So let me show you how this works. If we go over here to Crimson, this is the actual program that's running. I have on this guy, let me slide this up. Maybe I won't. This new mouse that I got is so touchy that I think I need to throw it away. Anyway. I've got one module in the back, a Mix 4 channel unit, or Mix 4. It's got 4 analog inputs, 2 analog outputs, and it's got 3 digital I/O points. It can be in or out, depending on how you configure them. Anyway, I've got analog input 1 is set up as a 4 to 20 milliamp on this guy, and that's what I'm using my little DROC signal generator. I did a video on this the other day, DROC, D-R-O-K. That's coming into here, and that is connected into this input here and this one here, and some scaling. And this application, it's got a C program that Norm wrote that's pretty darn nice. He's basically just filling up an array of values in here, excuse me, and then he's finding the min and max value of it and doing some deviation to find out the rolling gallons per minute totalizer in this case. And so that program is being run every tick right here. So that's the rolling average that's running. And that is what shows up on the display page. And so here on this is the live view. So here it is cranking along here. I'm going to go ahead and do some playing here. I'm going to go ahead and click the start time and get time now. And that kind of resets it. So if I just go ahead and move my analog millimeter up here, say I take it up to, let's say I take it up to 12 milliamps here. Get up here to 12, and I'm just kind of, whoops, I went over a little bit there. That's pretty close. That's pretty good right there. So right now I'm running at 12 milliamps input, and this thing is generating, it looks like it's summarizing the average here. So we'll let it settle down as it fills in the array and keeps sampling. Norm's got a nice little chart going here as well. So that shows us stabilizing. Probably going to stabilize around 50 gallons per minute right now. It's probably where it's going to be. So if I hit the reset button here and then click here, if we let this thing run, I'm going to have it when it gets to the 0 here. I'll go ahead and reset the time at 0. And we'll see if after 1 minute here. So there we go. I'll reset it there. Okay. All right, let's see what happens here. I may speed the video up here so that you don't have to sit here for 45 seconds. All right, let's see what it does here at the 59 count here. It should call that program. Hey, look at there, team. Look at there. Roughly around about 1 minute. And look, it said 50 gallons go by. Let's just roll the dice and see what happens after 2 minutes. Anybody want to guess? We'll go to 100 gallons. Let's just see. Now we're in 2 minutes. We're looking to see if we get 100 gallons per minute here. Let's see. Hey, that's pretty close. There we are, 100 gallons. It ran for 2 minutes. So anyway, pretty cool application. I validated Norm's logic in the Totalizer. I think it works great. Hey, thanks a lot, folks. Have yourself a great day. If you want to copy this database, send me an email. See ya. Bye.